Seriously, mommy.
Aww. It's your girl Brings. Little man will be out of commission today, you guys, so he will not be helping us cook. He may pop in like every now and then, but for the most part, you guys, I don't think he's going to be up to helping cook today. So you guys just have me. Aww. I know, it sucks. Sucks. He's the little star of our cooking scenarios. I have nothing to put on TikTok for this week's cooking video. So on our family channel, you guys, I have a personal channel and then I have a family channel for just me and him on TikTok. So we usually do like a lot of skits and stuff together, and I'll post them on that page rather than the stuff that I do separately. I post it on my personal page. But so today we are going to do some strip steaks. I'm really feeling like the really thin steaks, you guys. So a simple fact that I feel like they're a little bit more healthier than the actual thicker steak. And I may be wrong. Don't quote me on that, y'all. Don't quote me on that. But I feel like since you're not eating as much as you would with like a normal size thickness of a steak, that it could be on the more healthier side. But it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video also from yesterday and from seeing me do this hair, you guys. Y'all know I hate using this hair because it doesn't allow the fluff that I need to cover up a lot of the spots. Y'all probably see some spots now. I have that problem a lot with this hair because it's so thin and it's so flat and I have to use so much of it. And y'all, it just got to the point where I just got tired. I was like, nope, that's enough. And then I tried to make it easier on myself because I have this on both sides to the point where I didn't even have to crochet anything in right there. But y'all, I still need some in the back. So I was just over it. This hair requires you to use too much of it to make it the full consistency that you need to cover up your natural hair. It's just a lot, y'all. It's a lot. I need my Kima back, but we're budgeting, y'all. We're budgeting, so we had to make it do what we needed to do, and we had to use what we already had available, which was this right here. Anyways, you guys, we're doing flank steaks, loaded baked potatoes, and cheddar broccoli. So let's get started for our steaks. I do have them in a paper towel right here on the counter. They are nice and cleaned. And I'm just keeping them dry so that when we apply our seasoning on it, they just start sizzling in the skillet. We're going to be using some garlic salt, you guys. And I don't know what it is, but this brand always has the salt version to garlic and onion. And I'm like, why? You can always find garlic salt in great value. You can always find onion salt in great value. If you need onion powder or garlic powder, now you can find onion powder in great value, but you can't find garlic powder in great value. Like, that's my thing, y'all. I don't know what it is, but you can't. But we're using garlic powder, roasted garlic and herb. Slap your mama, of course. Bruh. Onion powder. Savory steak seasoning. Some black pepper. Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to use our virgin olive oil to cook it. So I'm going to put some of that in our skillet, which is heating up on the stove. And then we're going to use this bowl to put our marinating and seasoning in here. Worcestershire sauce. Let's get a grip in there. Garlic powder. I'm having a bad day. It's about time that I have it my way. Watch what you see. Despicable Me. Who's saying that for real? heavy on my savory steak seasoning. You know, if you start that over one more time. Oh my gosh, she just keeps starting it over. Aw, baby. Yeah, y'all gotta take care of a sick baby. Our cutie is sick, y'all. Did I already use that? I already used that. Okay. Real quick. Our knife. That's what I grabbed first. Alright, y'all. It should look like this. And you may have to make more. So, yeah. Should look like this. And I know it does not look appetizing. But I'm telling y'all, the taste is freaking delicious as a marinade. So now we are going to just coat our steak one by one into this marinade. Fully coating and getting it on both sides. Nice looking seasoned steak that looks like that, y'all. And we'll throw it in the skillet. Alright, y'all. We are a little on Worcestershire. Still has some seasoning in there, though. Alright, we're going to take our last two steaks, you guys, and dump it in here. So I can go ahead and get rid of this paper. Let both of them kind of soak up this marinade. Oh, y'all hear him. Alright. Oh, wash hands. Alright, y'all. Hands have been washed. We are going to go ahead and put our broccoli on while that is waiting. But I want to show you this real quick. This is our steak marinating in the bowl. This is our steak cooking right now. So I'm going to throw the broccoli on, you guys, and I will be right back. All right, guys. So I thought long and hard about this meal. And I said to myself, I said, you always do them separately. Why not do them together? So here's the idea I came up with. I did 2 to-go containers, created separately. I will add the cheese and everything on it when I finish them. These are already nice and ready to put in the refrigerator. Completely good to go with the, I don't even know which one of these is the clean one. Completely good to go with the let's rinse it. All right, completely good to go with meal prepping. So these are meal prepped. And then I said, why not? So I made 3 potatoes all together, you guys. So it's 3 potatoes all together. One of them I split to make these 2. The other 2 I kept separately because I was thinking to myself, why not make a loaded baked potato, right? Always do them separately. So we're going to make a loaded baked potato with some of our leftover ingredients. Broccoli is nice and tender, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that separated up a little bit. More broccoli would be better. Healthy as can be. And then I have 2 pieces of steak that I did not put in these meal prep bowls, because remember, you guys, I had 4 total. And I took 2 and put them in the meal prep containers, and then the other 2 I have right here. I went ahead and I cut up the first one. So we got a spoon, well, a handful of steak. Mix that in. Mix that in. And we're going to add a little bit of butter to this. Not a lot, literally a little bit. Butter to that. We're going to take some. I already had hot habanero cheese. We're going to take some mild shredded cheddar, you guys. Throw that bad boy in there. And then I think the other one was December 18th on this one. This one is January 8th. So that's December 18th. Alright, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna add that to it. This is all our stuff, right, y'all? And we're gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, checking it periodically just to get the butter to melt so we can mix it all together. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So now that we got that done, next thing I'm gonna do, I have some Chipotle ranch that I've been wanting to try out. Chipotle ranch. So we are going to actually take this and mix it in. Taste it first. I like it, y'all. We're not going to mix this in. We're not mixing that in. We're not. So we have our mixture with cheese and the butter all melted. We are just going to take that and top it on top of our potato. I did pull it apart. It looks like a lot of broccoli. It looks like a ton of broccoli. You can even see the steak for real. That is really good though, y'all. Okay. Last thing we're gonna do, put all of that on there. And some sour cream. All right, y'all. That is it. And we